Hello everyone, welcome to Lisa HORTON Crafts. My name is Natalia and today I will show you how I've created this card. I've used previous products and I've used also new layering abstract squares stencil. So for this card I've used this new stencil. It's called layering abstract squares. Also I've used the Gnomes, Let's Celebrate, and I've used this little character. I also used nested scallop and stitch rectangles, and I've used sticker sentiments. So I already stamped and watercolored the images with the inks, and now we'll use some dyes to die cut the gnomes. So for this card I will be using this image gnome and some of the speakers. Now I will be using layering stencils. So layering stencil have a number and a corner. So here's number 1, 2 and 3. So we'll start with number 1. So position my card. So the magnets, I'll use the magnets to hold the card. So for this I will use the hickory smoke, faded dreams, and maybe evergreen bow, and I will add broken china also. So with this one I probably will start with the evergreen bow, and I'll use brush and I'll just add this ink randomly. And now I will use broken china. And remove the stencil, as you can see, and I will add a second stencil, number 2. And for this one I think I'm gonna use grey. So I'll use grey hickory smoke. So I'm gonna use black suit just to make slightly darker squares. So I've used 4 different colors. And now I will be using faded dreams for the last layer of stencil. This is layer number 3. So I will use a stormy sky. So first I will use stormy sky, it's the color lighter, and I will start from the center. And now I will use faded dreams. So here is the background with green, blue and grey and black colors. So if I'll use this, and I'll use some of the paste. This is clear one. So I'll secure the washi tape at the edges. And I'll start from the top. Just to add a bit sparkle to the project. So you have to wash the stencil straight away. otherwise the paste is gonna dry on the stencil. So move really carefully. You see a bit of sparkle, so we'll let this dry. So here is the paste already dried, and now we'll be creating a card. So I just folded A4 card in half, and I've die cut using nested scallop and stitch rectangles. So I'm probably gonna make this card slightly smaller. So I'm just thinking to cut this. I'm thinking to cut a little long and short layers. So you've got this. So I will add this for the background here. I've decided to add some color here. I will use broken china and maybe stormy sky. So now I will decide on the size of the card. So I think this card is a bit too big. I have like this. So my card about 7 by 5. So now I will adhere that with the glue. I'm adhering rectangle to the center of the card. And now this I will deform pads. Here I've just decided to use one of them, a stencil, and I'll use just for the background probably hickory smoke. So now I will add this to the card, to the bottom of this card. And I will add gnome here and speakers here. So like this. So I'm adhering the gnome with guitar. We just add a word celebrate. So I'm just gonna adhere that to the card. Cut out. So here is the card. Celebrate.